Okay, we will discuss another problem on K-map. Another problem on K-map. Here, simplify the expression f of a comma b comma c comma d. F of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to here summation small m of the given variables like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 7, 9. 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. So these all are the variables and we have to find out the Boolean expression in the given expression is in the sum of products. So we have to find out the sum of products and here we have to draw the four variable K map. We will get this side A, B and this side C, D, and when we take the four variables we will get the combination of 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 variables. Okay, and this 0 0 0 1 double 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 double 1 1 0. Okay, so here the given variables are 0, 1, 2, 3. All are the variables will be take it as 1. Okay, so here 0 is given, 1, 2 and 3. And coming to the 4 is not there, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next 8, 9 is there and 10, 11. Okay, next 12 is not there and 13, 14 and 15. 13, 14 and 15. So these all are the actual variables we have and we have to simplify by the Boolean expressions like a K map. Okay, so we have to map these all are the variables. We have to map these all are the variables and here for this we will get 0 0. So we have to map all the four variables here. So these are the four variables mapped together and we will get A and B, like A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. That means we will get here for this expression we will get A bar and B bar, that is A is equal to 0, B equal to 0. Okay, next here we have the two variables and for these 8 variables are mapped together and for this expression we will get 0 1 and double 1. 0 1 and double 1 we have, that is one common, that is D. One common, that is D. And coming to these two variables, for these two variables we will map with another these two variables, because of when we take this only single variable we will get four combinations, right? And for this four variables we will get only two variables. For this we will get only two variables and here double 1 1 0, here 1 is common and for this side double 1 1 0, here also 1 is common. The 1 represents the position of C and here 1 represents the position of A. So we can write A into C. Finally we will get the expression f of A comma B comma C comma D is equal to summation m of equal to, or this can be written as A into C plus A bar into B bar plus D. A bar into B bar into plus D, and this indicates that is A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, and again this term indicates that is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C and both are 1, and this indicates this is 0 0 0 1. So this is M0 and this is M3 and this is M10. So these all are the min terms. So these all are the main terms for the expression f of function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to m naught comma m3 comma m10. So these all are the main terms, and this is the final expression, simplified expression for the given function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m of all the variables. Okay, ఎంత 5 నిమిషాలు వచ్చి okay in we simplified in sum of products manner, and coming to the product of sum, how the product of sum will be find out. Here function f of a comma b comma c comma d, the given function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to pi of capital M of, if the given function is represented with the pi of capital M, then that we have to find out in product of sums. Okay, so take it as a variables like 0 1 5 7 and 8 9 10 11 15. So here I am taking these all are the variables. For this variable we will get the combination of 16. How the variables will be indicated with the given function. So here the function is having the 4 variables, those are a b c d. If we will take the 4 variables, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. That means 16 combinations we will get here. Okay, so we have to represent the given values with the zeros, because of the given function is in the product of sum, that is ab. Here this side I am taking ab and this side cd. Okay, so here we have the combinations like 16 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So given values are like a 0, so we have to represent with a 0 and 1. 2 is not there, 2 3 4 and 5 is there, 5 6 and 7 here, and 8 9 10 and 11 all there, 11 12 13 14 and 15. So we have to map all these variables. Okay, we have to map all these variables. For these variables, here I am taking only these 4 variables, right? So here I am mapping all these 4 variables. Okay, so for this side we have 1 0 and these all are the difference, and we don't have any common variable. So here I am taking the actual value indicate with 0 and the complement value indicates with 1 in the product of sum. So here a is equal to 1, that is equal to a bar, and b equal to 0, that is actual b. So and these all are the variables with in product of sum, so a bar plus b will be get here. Okay, and for these 2 variables we are mapping these 2 and these 2. For this side 0 0 1 0 and 0 is a common, and for this we will get b first, and here this side 0 0 0 1 and here we have 0 as a common, that plus c, b plus c we will get. Okay, and these all are the variables mapped, and we have these 3 variables, right? So for these 3 variables, here I am grouping these 2 variables. For this we will get 1 is a common here, and this side double 1. So 1 indicates that is b bar plus double 1, that is c bar plus d bar. Okay, so this is the expression, and here we have another variable, that is 0. So here I am adding. We can add these 0 0, these two zeros and these two zeros. Okay, so here I am adding these two zeros, then this side 0 1, that is a plus b bar, and for this side 0 1 double 1, 1 is common, so plus d bar. So 1 2 3 4 combinations we have, and finally we will get the simplified expression f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to like b plus c into b bar plus c bar plus d bar, b bar plus c bar plus d bar into a bar plus b, and another one, that is a plus b bar plus d bar. So this is the simplified expression, and if the max terms are asked by the given question, then we have to find out the max terms, that is 0, that is a is not there, so that's why that is a is equal to 0, b 1, and c is equal to 1, and d is equal to 0. So this is the one term, and b here a is not there, so that can be take it as 0, and b bar, so this is also equal to 0, and c bar 0 0, so this is equal to 0, comma, and a bar, so a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c and d not there, so we can take it as 0. Okay, coming to the last term, that is a equal to 0, a equal a, and that can be taken as 1, and b bar, that is equal to 0, c is not there, 0, and d bar 0. So these are the max terms we will get for the function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, so this is the max term of m6 comma m0 comma, and this is m4 comma, and this is m8. So finally what are the max terms we have? m0 comma m4 m6 and m8. So these all are the max terms for the f of given function f of a comma b comma c comma d. So these all are the functions, and boolean expression, simplified boolean expression is this one. Okay, so these all are the procedures to find out the k-maps, by the given function, and